Dear friends, Sathiyo, I want to share a joke with you. I am one of the 65 lakh voters whose vote right has been deleted from Bengaluru constituency after SIR.
Actor Prakash Raj has claimed that his name was deleted from the Bengaluru voter list during the ongoing special intensive revision of electoral rolls. In a video shared on Instagram on August 11th, Raj said he was born, raised and educated in Bengaluru. He also pointed out that he had contested the 2019 Lok Sabha elections as an independent candidate from the constituency and had voted in Bengaluru in the 2024 elections. Questioning how his name could now be removed from the electoral rolls, Raj described the SIR-related deletions as a joke. He said he would submit the required documents and take all necessary legal and administrative steps to have his name restored. Taking a dig at the government, Raj said that restricting the voting rights of some citizens who may not vote for those in power would not prevent people from removing a government from office in the future. The issue comes amid a wider controversy over the SIR exercise in Karnataka, under which a large number of voters have been flagged under the ASDDO category, that is absent, shifted, dead, duplicate and others. Authorities have advised voters to check their electoral details and approach their booth level officer or election officials if they find any errors or wish to file a claim or objection.
Dear friends, Sathiyo, I want to share a joke with you. I am one of the 65 lakh voters whose vote right has been deleted from Bengaluru constituency after SIR. Nice joke, no? I was born in this constituency. I lived in this constituency. I had my schooling, college, theatre. And for your kind information, I was an MP candidate of this constituency too. Well, the joke is nice. Game on. Let me see what is the process I have to go through. क्या कागज दिखाना पड़ेगा to get back my voter ID. Well, game on. But one little word. My friend, you can use your powers to deny few of the citizens the right to vote who may not elect you. But can you stop us, my dear friend, from our power of bringing you down? Just asking. Bye.